How to permanently delete your Facebook account, Quick Method 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to say goodbye to Facebook for good, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Tap on the profile picture. Tap on the setting icon on the top corner. Here tap on Account Center option. Move down and click on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion option. Select the account that you would like to delete. Here, you'll see two options, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Select Delete Account and then click Continue to Account Deletion. Here you have to be aware that deleting your Facebook account will also delete that pages that you are in or manage. Select the reason to why you want to delete the account and then tap on Continue. Here enter your Facebook account password and the tap on Continue. Note that Facebook gives you 30 days to change your mind and reactivate your account, but after that, your account and all its data will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.